Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S8 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Rosemary font on this device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now choose display, scroll down again and tap on font size and style. Then go into font style and tap on Rosemary font. As you can see, my Rosemary font was successfully applied, but if you don't have it over here, you need to click on download fonts, then click on the sorter, on the pseudo icon actually, next to the Rosemary one. I will go with that one for example, or you can click on it and choose install over here. Then we need to wait. And now when I go back, I can see that my new font is over here. If you wish to apply it, just tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!